we got very interesting topic. India versus
Most of the countries finding or creating new business opportunity in India. So that's why India is developed country.
Is there any career opportunity in India?
That time America required the help of India.
India become superpower in today. Yes. Hi friends, how are you all? We are fine. So today we all are gathered here to playing a debate. So today we got very interesting topic. India versus foreign. So today we have two teams. Okay, A team is from foreign and B team is from India. So who would like to become as an initiator of A team? Okay, and who would like to become as an initiator of B team? Okay, firstly big applause for both. Okay, with the big energy we can Kamini. Okay, Kamini, you can start first.
Hey guys, good morning. It's me Kamini. As per my knowledge, sometimes most of people also say that India is a developing country, not a developed country. But example of America, Russia, China is developed country.
Okay, according to Kamini, you know that Russia, China, and means there are lots of countries known as a developed country, and you know that India known as a developing country. Is there means Kamini say that there is a big difference between India and other countries. Okay, you want to oppose Kamini or not?
Yes, sir. I want to oppose that. No, sister. How do you consider that India is developing country? According to my knowledge, India is developed country because there are lots of job, lots of business, and lots of worker available in India. And most of the countries finding or creating new business opportunity in India. So that's why India is developed country, not a developing country.
No sister, then why India is known as a developing country? Is there any career opportunity in India?
Okay.
Hello friends, good morning, it's me Pradnya. You know that sister, last time you took the example of America. In America there is 25.7% population is there and 80% of population more than 65 years old. Suppose America wants to establish any business, that time America required the help of India. Today America known as a developed country just because of India.
Okay, means according to Pradnya, okay, means only because of India, most of the country known as means suppose if anybody want to establish any business, okay, that time they require the help of India. Is anybody ready to oppose Pradnya? Okay, you can.
So hello everyone, it's me Maheshwari. You know that only because of foreign country, Indian people get employment, and if anybody create their industry in India at that time, foreigner require labor, and in your India most of people's earn employment, and means Indian people become as a worker and foreign people as a owner of their industry.
Okay, according to Maheshwari, each and every time means only because of foreigners people, okay, India's people get employment. Who would like to oppose Maheshwari? Is anybody ready from B team? Okay, brother, you can.
Then why the foreign people are coming in India and finding new businesses opportunity in India? Last time Judge Lazo said that I predict 21st century is going to be an Indian century. The dynamism, the energy. This has something special about this country. This is going to be an Indian country.
Okay, means according to Nishant, means there is a big difference between India and others country. Okay, is anybody ready to oppose Nishant? Okay, from A team. Okay, firstly introduce yourself and with the big energy you can.
Hi friends, it's me Sumit in front of you. But brother, actually few years ago APJ Abdul Kalam sir said 21st century India become a superpower. Is India become superpower in today?
Yes sir, that's the point.
Okay, that's the big point. Okay, is India become superpower? Is anybody ready from B team?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello brother, good morning. No brother, I don't think that, you know that at the time of pandemic, lots of countries are facing lots of problems regarding to the hospitalities, ventilation, food, medicines like that, and government unable to provide them. And you know that at the time of pandemic, all countries GDP was decreased, but our India's country GDP was increased. And lots of in India lots of women create opportunity in gig economic, means work from home. And you know that India found COVID vaccine and provide that vaccine to foreign without any extra charge. So what about think that?
Means according to Nikita, that at the time of pandemic, okay, India firstly established the vaccine of COVID-19, and after that, okay, India provide that vaccine in a free of charge. Okay.
Hello everyone, it's me Khushi. So do you know sister, in 21st century all country known as a rich country,
they never ever faced any problem regarding to the food. But in 1951, United States of America provided food to the India, because that time there was no food stock available in India, and because of that most of the Indian people died, and that time America helped to the India.
Okay, according to question means at that time, okay, means only America helped to the India. No one want to no one ready to help India. Okay, is anyone ready from it?
Yes, sir. Hi guys, it's me Pranav. Actually, sister, that time United States of America they provided us such kind of foods, and they was providing us pigs and that kind of grains. They providing us only because of that they don't have any humanity. That's why India is always better than foreign country.
Hello guys, myself Bhargavi Thokke, front of you. No brother, I don't think like that. In each and every difficult situation, foreigner always try to help India. You know that in 1999, India was facing lots of problem of Pakistan. That time Russia helped to India and provide weapon to India. And last time Kushi sister told about regarding to the food. In 1971, America stand with India. No one provide food to India. That time only America provide food to India. And now also the lots of people facing regarding to the food problems. 20% of India's people cannot purchase the one type of food also. So I think that the foreign is always better than India.
Hello everyone, I am Sai in front of you. As per IMF means International Monetary Fund, India was indebted for due to food program launched by India at the time of pandemic. India provided free food to everyone. That's why India is not poor and nor a developing country. India is developed and rich country. As per the knowledge of Sai, okay, Sai said that okay means at that time of pandemic, okay, I means that time India launched one scheme, okay, means food for everyone, okay. According only because of that, brother say that India is not a poor and not as a developing, okay. So guys, at the end also we can't decide that which one is the better for us. According to me, India also required the help of others, and other country also also required help of India, okay. So thanks for being with us. Big applause for us.